Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to paint a sunset silhouette with lovebirds in it. So let's get started. Start by applying the orange color and mix it with water when required. Now mix some orange color with water and merge it with the yellow one. Apply the yellow color on more than half of the page and give it a bit of orange tint at the merging point. Use the same procedure to merge the yellow color with the white one. Similarly, now give a yellowish tint at the merging point. After drying, I'm going to draw a rough skeletal sketch of the branches. Drawing this way gives an idea for placement of further elements in the painting, and I think it's a lot more easier this way. I'll try to draw the birds in the simplest way possible using basic figures. First, I will start by painting the main branch, and then I will randomly draw different branches with the paintbrush itself. It's completely random. You can draw various branches on the tree according to your choice. You can also use a bold marker if you want, but I find it easier using a paintbrush as I can conveniently adjust the thickness of the branches. Now finally I'm going to draw fruits or leaves or whatever you want to call them. You can either use a paintbrush to draw different kind of leaves, or you can use an earbud like this. I think this method is a lot more easier, simpler and faster, and it gives the tree a very decorative look. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends too. You can also give me suggestions in the comment box about what you want to see in my next video, and thanks for watching.